absolute bloody moron. Oh great, another horde of zombies in the road. I do love the bit when they walk halfway across the road and then look to see if there's anything coming. Indicating left here, but nobody's looking. Never looks before they cross the road anymore. Usual, halfway across the road before bothering to look. Ah! Okay, now what is wrong with these people? Are you trying to get yourself right? Doesn't even bother looking. What's the same? They won't wait until the lights change. They just walk into traffic without even bloody looking. Crossing right there. Look at that, smartphone zombie. And another one. Does none of these people understand how a crossing works? Straight into the road without looking. Smartphone zombie. Yeah, just walked right out in front of that road. And push that kid right out in front of the bus. And what sort of person does that? Didn't even look. Even notice. Does nobody understand how a crossing works? Another one walking in the cycle path. Why do they do this? Perfectly good footpath right there. And this one runs right out into traffic. At least one of them's paying attention. No! Bloody hell.
I just assumed you were.
What is wrong with these people? Straight into the road without looking. How do these people survive? That is a stupid thing to do. Oh, don't be a plonker. Why do they do this?
The noise scared me.
Didn't even look.